सगळे म्हजे गोंयकार भाव भयणांक नमस्कार. ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ गोंयचो आवाज आय वूड लायक टू एक्सप्रेस अ डीप सॉरो. खुबशे आमचे लोक ह्या लढाईन एगेन्स्ट द कोरोना व्हायरस सोंपले. आमचे जाणटे लोक, मिडल एज्ड, तरणाटे, इवन ल्हान भुरगीं फेल विक्टीम टू द कोरोना व्हायरस. बट हाव हॅव वी कम टू दीस स्टेज? हें अशें कित्याक जालें? Just a year back, when the first pandemic broke out, एक नॅशनल लॉकडाऊन अनाउन्स केल्ले सरकारान. आमकां लोकांक सांगले तुमी भितर रावा. वी हॅव टू ब्रेक द चेन ऑफ ट्रान्समिशन ऑफ द व्हायरस. आमी भितर रावले. वी कोऑपरेटेड विथ द गव्हर्मेंट. खुबशे त्रास जाले. लोकांक मेडिसिन्स मेळोंक ना, स्पेशली जाणट्यांक. लोकांक जेवण मेळोंक ना. बट नेबर्स रिच्ड आउट टू नेबर्स. वी हेल्प्ड ईच अदर. आणि कशेंय करून द एम वॉज टू डिफीट द व्हायरस. अँड वी सक्सिडेड. अँड गोवा बिकेम द फर्स्ट स्टेट टू बी डिक्लेअर्ड अ ग्रीन झोन. तुमकां याद आसतली, दॅट वॉज अ टायम द चीफ मिनिस्टर क्लेम क्रेडिट फॉर हीज मॅनेजमेंट ऑफ द व्हायरस. आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू कॉमेंट ऑन दॅट. बट एट द सेम टायम आमकां याद आसा, आमकां भितर राव म्हळे, रिमेन इंडोर्स. अँड दीस सेम गव्हर्मेंट pushed for 3 destructive projects, the 3 linear projects, plus many other projects like the Naushi Marina and Kupshe, vegle. I don't want to comment on that because the battle against this destruction will continue. Ami sodpak na. Coming back, how come we have come to this stage? So much of loss of lives. What happened between the last pandemic and the present pandemic? Tumka yaad astili, after Goa was declared as a green zone, the borders were thrown open. Casinos were thrown open. Nightclubs were thrown open. There were drug parties, beach parties. IFI म्हण केले, hybrid IFI म्हण announce केले. Carnival हाडलो. Most of the ministers were claiming credit. एक minister and tourism minister and सांगले, the show must go on. Where have we landed? I mean, one thing what I learned in the Navy is, as a leader, you also have to take the responsibility and also the blame, which is most important. But what chief minister seems to be only wanting the credit. And he blames the people. Ki the kalcho jo interview zala. He announced curfew. I will come to that. But the next thing what he said is, he blamed the people for so many deaths. People are coming late to the hospitals. Now, what is the state of the hospitals? There are no beds. People are lying on the floors. There's no oxygen. And you are blaming the people? Coming to curfew, I don't want to debate what is better, curfew or lockdown. Curfew, definitely, to my understanding and knowledge and experience, curfew is not the thing. It should have been lockdown. Curfew is to be imposed in extreme situation, extreme conditions like cases of rioting, devastation, war. War because there should be no movement of the people. The enemy aircraft should not detect the movement of the people, leading to dropping of bombs, deadly weapons. I don't want to debate on that. Now, another thing what I recollect is, between the first pandemic and the present pandemic, Sarkaran kide kele? There was a peace time. We never got ready for the battle. 30 years back, August 1991 to be precise, when I joined INS Mandovi at Vere, jenna Navy म्हजी भरती जाली. When I entered the base, I clearly recollect on a huge rock एका खडपार बरयल्ले आशिल्ले, the more you sweat in peace, the less you will bleed in war. So true. Hani tar measures घेतुल्ले during between the first pandemic and second pandemic. If we had got ready with medical facilities, infrastructure, oxygen, everything, maka disna, we would have lost so many lives. Now we know that there is infighting between the MLAs in the ruling front. Even the 10+2 MLAs, like rats, they want to flee the ship. Tumka khabar asa, jenna ek ship is about to sink, the rats are the first to flee the ship. I don't want to say more on that. Having said that, knowing that there's confusion, total failure, chaos in the government, आमची responsibility लोकांची as responsible citizens to hold hands, to act responsibly. Let us cooperate with each other. Let us remain indoors. Let us try, like last year, break the chain of transmission of the coronavirus. I recollect the famous quote of one of the most known presidents of America, John F. Kennedy. And I quote, "Ask not what the country can do for you. Ask what you can do for the country." हे म्हणून आमच्या सगळ्या गोंयकारांक विनंती करता, सगळे एक जावन लेट अस फायट दिस कोरोना व्हायरस. आमी भितर रावया पुरू केल्ले तशें आनी लेट अस डिसायसिवली डिफीट द व्हायरस अँड लेट अस सेव लायफ्स. हे म्हणून सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. जय गोवा, जय हिंद.